Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It is your boy Truth, and today we will be unboxing and taking a real close look of the Air Jordan 4 Manière while you were sleeping. These joints kind of had us going up and down, back and forth. We didn't know how these things were gonna do. Resale was supposed to be crazy. They was highly anticipated, and then they end up sitting on the sneakers out for just a little bit. Then they eventually sold out, and now we have them right here. And I'm gonna tell you guys, in my opinion, these shoes are absolutely worth the price tag and definitely is a must cop. But before we get up into this unboxing, make sure you guys go ahead and hit that subscribe button for your boy. I would greatly appreciate it. Now, as we get up into this unboxing, we're going to start with the box because I feel like packaging is everything when it comes to these things, and is a part of that reason why you pay that $225 when it comes to this sneaker. But as you guys can see right here, we do have the packaging, and we have a black box, but it's a trifold box, and it opens up, and we have the Manière logo right there, which is super clean. As we raise this thing up, it does come with the branding right here that's along the top of it. Let me see if I can show you guys. As you guys can see right there, it does have that branding right there. And then on the inside of the box, we do have two types of things. We have the white paper that the shoe is wrapped in, and then we have this cloth, man. And this cloth is really, really nice. You have this real nice cloth that they did give you to wrap the sneakers in. And of course, you do have a quality control sticker in there. They do come with two sets of laces. We have the sail laces right here, as you guys can see. And then we also have a set of white laces right here, which I feel like the sail laces are gonna go hard in them the most, in my opinion. But that is it for the box, but super clean. As you see, that just seals up. You do have the Jumpman logo right there on the box as well. So all in all, just dope packaging. Now when it comes to this sneaker, man, as you guys can see right here, it's super clean sneaker. You have the branding right here on this cardboard paper right here, and then you have the same thing there. And then they did give us that premium Nike hang tag, as you guys can see right there. I love the fact that they didn't give us the plastic one. And then you have your standard Jordan 4 netting on the side. These sneakers are pretty much identical when it comes to the details as the off-white Jordan 4s, the Muslim 4s, and the quality is just as good as well. But as you can see right here, as we continue to go around the sneaker, it does have this mauve color nubuck across the top. But then on the toe box, they do hit us with that kind of fluffy suede material right there along the front toe box. I am kind of weary about that because I just feel like when water hit it, it's going to get hard and dry and crack. It's not going to look too good, but I mean, that's not a big deal breaker. On the inner side of the shoe, as you guys can see, we have a really vintage outsole, as you guys can see right here, with the hints of black, and then the air unit right there. On the bottom of these things, we have that vintage yellow as well, with that plum color on that Nike Air on the bottom of these things. Super clean, super vintage. On the back end, they did hit us with that Nike Air branding in black. Really like that. It seems to give people what they want when it comes to the Jordans, when we have the Nike Air branding on the back. And then the sock liner, it's like it's being with all of the sneakers. You have that premium sock liner, and I thought this was gonna be a little bit thinner, but it actually has pretty good padding in there. And then you have the same thing on the back end. On the tongue, we have the on the left one. You have the branding right there. It's a patch. It's really nice. And then on the right one, you do have the Jumpman logo on this tongue. Super nice addition to the sneakers. As you see both of them together, just looks really nice. But just all in all, a super clean, aesthetically well put together sneaker. In my opinion, I feel like the $225 is justifiable. Like I said, the sail laces, I feel like will go hard in these, will be the best bet for these. Resale is not too bad on these things, but I do think that these will go up in price. I don't think they're going to sit around the price point that they're at. I think retail was $225. I think resale right now is like $240, $250 max. Maybe a little bit more, give or take, after fees and stuff. But I do think this sneaker will eventually go up in price, and will be probably a $300 to $340 sneaker, just because this is A1. But if you have an opportunity to get it right now, grab this sneaker. You will not be upset with it. And I will be doing an on-foot review for you guys. But y'all let me know down in the comment section, what are your thoughts and opinions about this sneaker? Is this something that you're going to grab? Is this something that you couldn't wait for? You had to grab them? And let me know, what do you guys rank these out of all the other Manière sneakers that have dropped, man? I appreciate you guys for tapping in. Y'all already know the saying, man. Rock what you like, not what's hype. And remember, everything we talk about, including these sneakers, just bait. Wait for me to share my faith. I'm going to catch y'all next video. Peace.